Chickens have some unique personalities. Some are very shy, some are outspoken, some are very independent. They also lay different color eggs. You may see white ones, bluish green or turquoise, and brown eggs. Hi, welcome back. In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about chickens. Go ahead and grab your supplies. You're going to need a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. And remember, if I'm ever going too fast, go ahead and hit that pause button. All right, let's draw. First, we're going to start with the head. We're going to draw two little eyes in the center of your paper. Go ahead and add the dots in the center. Right up here at the top, we're going to add a little, looks like an upside down teardrop. Chickens have been domesticated for thousands of years, and there are hundreds of different breeds around the world. They can also come in a variety of different colors, like black, brown, white, red, and even some fancy patterns. And then have it come to a point. See how the face is starting to form? Now we're going to draw the head itself. We're going to draw a circle around everything, starting here about halfway. And then we're going to draw another circle for the body. We're going to add a couple more of these little bumps. Chickens are very smart birds. They can remember up to 100 different faces and other chickens. Chickens are excellent at finding their way home. They're really good with their sense of direction, and they always know which way to go. Chickens. And then two legs. So we'll draw two legs, two lines down, and then give them a little line in the center, and then we're going to draw out the feet. Now last, we're going to add the tail feather. So we're going to come back here, we're going to go up, and then add some lines. A group of chickens is called a flock, and they like to stay together and do everything as a team. The roosters have a special job, and they're the ones that protect the hens, protect the flock, and let the hens know when they found some food. And then if you want it to look like it has wings, you can come over here to the side and we'll add a little curved line. You can leave it how it is. And then we can add a few little pebbles on the floor, or popcorn, or whatever. Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Enjoy the music while you learn a few more fun facts, and hit that like button if you're enjoying this art lesson. Chickens are omnivores, which means they eat plants and animals. They're also really great recyclers. They can eat your kitchen scraps like vegetable peels or trimmings, and they can use it to help them grow eggs and also as a fertilizer for the garden. Chickens love to take dust baths. They roll around in the dirt, and that's what helps keep their feathers clean, and it also gets rid of little mites that they have in their feathers. And believe it or not, chickens don't sweat like humans do. For them to stay cool, they flap their wings. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out last week's art class and hit that subscribe button for more art classes. Lastly, tag Bits art clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. See you next time!